Hello. My name is Peter Pilgrim. I'm your Java tech coach for day 5. We were talking about leadership. I was asked this salient question recently. How or what is your typical team organization? And it flummoxed me a little bit because I am usually allocated to a team that's already been designed. So it's fascinating to be, and also a privilege to be asked, what would I have? I think I would have 4 developers, as you can see here, because I don't believe entirely in full stack engineers. People tend to be stronger in Java, or they might be stronger in React or Angular. Some people, a few people, are great at all ends of the stack, and so I would be accountable for, not necessarily managing completely, the technical leadership of how Kevin, Sarah, Ben and Almira are delivering stories and I will be reporting on them in the stand-up and how they're doing, or backing up what they say in the daily stand-up ceremonies. In support of that, there's usually a business analyst. Nigel, Chloe and Robin are my testers, so I'm lucky to have them. And Helen is the DevOps. And DevOps tends to be shared across teams. Since DevOps and platform engineers, and I used to be one of those people who did platform engineering for about 3 or 4 months, it's an interesting role, being not necessarily being part of responsible for development and infrastructure as code. So, and I'm missing one more person, the project manager or the delivery manager, Sabrina. Sabrina and I talk a lot amongst ourselves and also want to find out if there's any blockers or any encumbrances, and she will look after the agile ceremonies, the presentations of our sprints or whatever cadence that is going on, and organizes the onboarding and the sessions where we present our results to the hungry and waiting stakeholders. And it's a really important role. And this is what I meant by having a good team of trust and psychological safety. I've been in many a agile retrospective, and I've gone, are we telling the truth among ourselves? Anyway, that is my organizational structure. That is comfortable for me. And I think if you have more than that, where you are on to 20 other people, then that could be problematic. That's a good, solid, functional team where we can hit the ground running and produce real work. See you next time. I'm Peter Pilgrim, your Java Tech Coach.